Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you trying to figure out how to get local channels on your Vizio Smart TV? Whether it's staying updated with the latest news, sports, or catching your favorite local shows, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to access local channels on your Vizio Smart TV. Let's dive in. Step 1. Using an antenna. First up, the most straightforward method is using an antenna. Here's how. Plug in the antenna. Connect the coaxial cable from your antenna to the antenna cable and port on your TV. Go to Settings. On your remote, press the menu button, then navigate to Channels or Tuner Setup. Scan for channels, select Auto Channel Scan or a similar option to allow your TV to find available local channels. Once the scan is complete, you'll have access to all the over-the-air channels available in your area. Step 2. Using streaming apps. Don't have an antenna? No problem. You can also access local channels through streaming apps. Many apps like Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, and Sling TV offer packages that include local channels. Open the Vizio SmartCast interface by pressing the V button on your remote. Go to the App Store and install your preferred streaming service app. Sign up or log in, and look for the section featuring local channels. Streaming services are a great way to get local channels without the need for additional hardware. Step 3. Screen mirroring or casting. Another option is casting local channels from your phone or tablet to your Vizio Smart TV. Here's how. Download a local channel app like CBS News, NBC, or ABC on your mobile device. Use the built-in Chromecast feature on your Vizio Smart TV. Tap the cast icon in the app and select your TV. This method works like a charm if your favorite local channel has its own app. Step 4. Using a cable or satellite box. If you already have a cable or satellite subscription, simply connect the box to your Vizio Smart TV using an HDMI cable. Use the input button on your remote to switch to the correct HDMI source, and you're all set. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. 4 simple ways to get local channels on your Vizio Smart TV, whether it's through an antenna, streaming apps, casting, or using your cable box. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.